The service life of a boat largely depends on its maintenance. Proper upkeep can significantly extend the boat's lifespan and ensure a consistently good driving experience. Gospel Boat, considering the specific characteristics of our vessels, provides detailed maintenance guidelines tailored to our boats. Engine maintenance. Please regularly maintain the engine according to the maintenance manual provided by the brand manufacturer of the engine. Hydraulic power steering system maintenance. Regularly maintain the hydraulic power steering system according to the maintenance manual provided by the manufacturer. When using the boat, make sure to regularly check how the bilge pump is working. If the bilge pump isn't functioning properly, get it repaired or replaced promptly. When you're using the boat, check the condition of the zinc block every 3 months. If more than 50% of the zinc block is corroded, replace it right away to prevent electrolytic reactions on the boat hull. During boat use, if your vessel remains in the water for extended periods, it is crucial to regularly check for the accumulation of marine microorganisms on the hull. Excessive biofouling can impact the hull's water resistance, so it is important to clean the bottom as needed. To prevent marine biofouling, it is advisable to apply anti-fouling paint according to local conditions, with a maximum interval of 6 months between applications. When you install additional accessories on your boat, go for aluminum alloy accessories or SUS 316 accessories and use SUS 316 screws for installation. If you use SUS 316 accessories that come in contact with the hull, make sure to install insulation pads between the hull and the accessories to prevent chemical reactions. When fastening accessories before fixing them, fill the contact area between the SUS 316 screws and the hull with insulating sealant to avoid direct contact between the hull and the screws, as this could cause chemical reactions. When using the boat, water impurities can scratch the paint surface dot. It's recommended to regularly wax and polish the hull paint to maintain its texture. When you pull the boat out of the water, open the drain plug to let the water out for waterproofing purposes. After the water is completely drained, close the drain plug. If your boat has a checker plate deck, make sure to clean it regularly to avoid oxidation. If your boat is fitted with EVA flooring decking, be careful when handling it. Once the EVA flooring is damaged, it's irreparable and can only be replaced. Marine electrical appliances have a cetane lifespan. When they don't work properly, please promptly replace or repair them to avoid any inconvenience during your boat usage. To make it easier to maintain and repair the boat's electrical circuit and oil circuit, there's a special access port on board. This access port facilitates the maintenance of the internal pipelines. When the access port of the fuel tank is opened and then closed again, it needs to be sealed with glue to prevent water from infiltrating during use. During the use of the hull, rubber products will age due to the corrosive effect of seawater. If the rubber products related to the hull seal have cracks or show signs of weathering, they need to be replaced in a timely manner.